Hello, my dears. Good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. I hope you all are fine at your home. Okay. So, I am again to teach you EVS subject. Today I am again here on online classes to teach you EVS subject. Okay. And in which class you are? You are in LKG. And in which school you are? You are in Gokuldas Public School. Very good. You are so cute, children. Yes or not? Yes or not? Yes. So, we have learned many things in this month about animals, pets animals, all wild animals which live in forest and farm animal, domestic animals. We have learned so many animals and their shelter also, their food also. So today I will teach you some of the animals, what they eat, their food. Some animals, their food. Okay, we eat food now. Why? We eat food? Yes or not? Yes, we eat food to live. हम खाना खाते हैं ना जल्दी से बड़े होने के लिए. Yes or not? Yes. जैसे हम खाना खाते जल्दी से बड़े होने के लिए वैसे ही एनिमल्स भी खाना खाते हैं. Like that animal also eat food. Okay. Now let us start. Okay, before that let's have some fun. All of you. Let's have some fun. Hands up. All of you. Stand up, all of you. All of you stand up. Yes, my dears. All of you stand up. Yes. Okay. Now, hands up, hands down, hands up, hands side, hands down, up, side, down, side, up, down. Very good. Clap, all of you. Clap, clap, clap. Yes, you're so cute, children, now. Yes, my sweet chocolates. Okay, so let us start. Let us start our class. So are you ready? Are you ready to know what the animals eat? Okay, now look here. First, which animal is this? You have to tell me, okay? Which animal is this? What? You have to tell me. Which animal is this? This is cow. Which animal is this? This is cow. Okay, look here. This is cow. Okay, do you know what does cow eat? What does cow eat? Do you know? Yes. What does cow eat? Cow eat grass. What does cow eat? Cow eat grass. Grass. What does cow eat? Cow eat grass. It is green in color. You have seen the grass. आपने घास देखी है ना? तो this is grass. What does cow eat? C-O-W. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. What does cow eat? Cow eat grass. Okay. Now, look here, all of you. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. What does monkey eat? Tell me. What does monkey eat? I have tell you in the previous video. What does monkey eat? Monkey eats banana. Yes, monkey eats banana. What does monkey eat? Monkey eats banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. What does monkey eat? Monkey eat banana. Okay. Look here. G-O-A-T. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat means बकरी. Okay. What does goat eat? आपको पता है? You know what does goat eat? Goat eat leaves and plants. What does goat eat? Goat eats leaves and plants. Goats क्या खाते हैं? झाड़ की पत्तियां खाते हैं या फिर प्लांट, छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं ना, वो खाते हैं. ओके. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. So many leaves are there now. Yes, so goat eat leaves. Okay, goat eat leaves and plants. Okay. After that, look here, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. What does rabbit eat? खरगोश क्या खाते हैं? Rabbit eat. Yes, tell me. Rabbit eat carrot. What does rabbit eat? Rabbit eat carrot. Okay. Yes. C-A-R-R-O-T. Rabbit eat carrot. What does rabbit eat? Rabbit eat carrot. Okay. After that, B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. What does bear eat? Bear eat honey. Bear eat honey. Honey means शहद. जो भालू है ना, शहद खाता है. So bear eat honey. H-O-N-E-Y. Honey. What does bear eat? Honey. Okay. Then next, look at the next animal. Who is this next animal? Okay. Who is this next animal? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. What does dog eat? Dogs क्या खाते हैं? Bones. Dogs eat bones. B-O-N-E-S. Bones. जो dogs है वो हड्डियाँ खाते हैं. Bones means हड्डी. Okay. किसी भी animals की. Okay. Dog eat bones. Dogs eat bone. Okay. Then next, C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. What does cat eat? Milk. What does cat eat? Milk. बिल्ली क्या पीती है? तो खाना क्या है बिल्ली का? What does cat drink? Cat drink milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Cat क्या करते हैं? Cat milk drink करती है. Yes, आपने देखा होगा ना? You have seen the cat come to your house. Yes or not? Yes. So cat drink milk. Very good. Now next. After this next, which animal will come? Yes, tell me. Which animal will come? Now it's parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. What does parrot eat? Parrot eat chili. मिर्ची खाते हैं parrots. पैरोट्स क्या खाते हैं? मिर्ची, चिलीज खाते हैं पैरोट्स. What does parrot eat? Parrot eats chilies, green chilies, red chilies. क्या खाते हैं? What does parrot eat? Parrot eats chilies. Parrot eats chili. Okay. Green chili, red chili. चिलीज खाते हैं पैरोट. क्या खाते हैं? चिलीज. ओके. Very good, my dear. All of you. So sweet of you. Okay. Now we will do some exercise. What we will do? Do you want to do some exercise? Yes or no? Are you ready? Are you ready or not? Yes. So be ready, all of you. Look at the board and be ready for your next exercise. For what? For your exercise. What we have learned? What we have learned today? We have learned the food of the animal. Match the animals with their food. Match the animals with their food. What we have to do? हमको animals को match करना है उनके खाने के साथ. Okay. What we have to do? We have to match the animal with their food. कौन सा एनिमल क्या खाता है हमें उससे मैच करना है. ओके. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू लुक हियर. व्हिच एनिमल इज दिस? यस, दिस इज काउ. व्हिच एनिमल इज दिस? दिस इज काउ. ओके. टेल मी व्हिच एनिमल इज दिस? दिस इज काउ. Okay, do you know everyone what does cow eat? Cow eat grass. Very good. Now next I am making animal. All of you look here. Which animal is this? This is cat. Which animal is this? This is cat. Okay. Now all of you look here. Now next I am making the animal. All of you look at the board. Yes, look. Look here. This is this is which animal is this? This is rabbit. This is rabbit. Okay. This is cow. C-O-W cow. C-A-T cat. R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. Then next, look here all of you. Yes, now which animal is this? This is dog. Which animal is this? This is dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay, D-O-G, dog. Now next. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Okay. Now we will make food. What we will make? We will make food. This is, which food is this? This is milk. Which food is this? This is milk. Okay, which food is this? This is carrot. What is this? This is carrot. Okay. After that, what is this? This is bone. This is bone. Okay. Milk, carrot, bone. Then what is this? This is grass. What is this? This is grass. Okay. Then next, what is this? This is chili. What is this? This is chili. Okay. Now what we will do? We will match. This is cow. C-O-W, cow. What does cow eat? Milk? No. Carrot? No. Bone? No. Grass? Yes. Cow eat grass. So match cow with grass. Match cow with grass. Okay. What is this? C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. What does cat drink? Cat drink milk. This is milk? Yes. So we match cat with milk. What we will do? We will match cat with milk. Next, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. What does rabbit eat? Rabbit eat milk? No. Carrot? Yes, rabbit eat carrot. So what we will do? Yes, you tell me. What we will do? We will match. We will match rabbit with carrot. What we will do? We will match rabbit with carrot. Okay. Okay. Which animal? D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. So what does dog eat? Milk? No. Carrot? No. Bone? Yes. So we will match dog with bone. Okay. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. So what does parrot eat? Milk? No. Carrot? No. Bone? No. Grass? No. Chili? Yes! Chili. So match parrot with chili. Okay. Have you understand? Have you understand this? What we have done? Yes, we have matched the animals with their food. With their food. What we have done? जो एनिमल क्या खाते हैं हमने उस एनिमल्स को उनसे की फ्रूट से मैच किया है. ओके. सो cow eat grass. Cat drink milk. Rabbit eat carrot. Dog eat bone. Parrot eat chili. Okay, let us sing one song. Do you want to sing one song? Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready with me? Okay. All MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. All MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some duck. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some duck. E-I-E-I-O. Quack here, quack here, quack there, everywhere, quack, quack. Say with me. Quack here, quack there, everywhere, quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cat. And on his farm he had some cat. E-I-E-I-O. Meow meow here, meow meow there, everywhere meow meow. Meow meow here, meow meow there, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog. And on his farm he had a dog. He had some dog. Bow bow here, bow bow there, everywhere bow bow. Bow bow here, bow bow there, everywhere bow bow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep. And on his farm he had some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. Baba there, Baba there, everywhere Baba. Baba here, Baba there, everywhere Baba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cow. And on his farm he had some cow. E-I-E-I-O. Moo moo here, moo moo there, everywhere moo moo. Moo moo here, moo moo there, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Clap all of you. Clap everyone. Very good. So cute. So nice all of you. Did you enjoy this? Did you enjoy this? Okay. So what you have to do? You have to do this exercise in your notebook. What you have to do? You have to do exercise in your notebook. Okay. And take a screenshot all of you. Take a screenshot and do exercise at your home in your notebook. Tell your mama to draw the pictures and write the name of the animals and you match it. Okay? Yes, very good. Done? All of you done? Okay. So bye. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself and your family also. Okay? Family members also. Look after them also. Okay? And respect all the elders. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day.